Hi, I'm Natalie. I am a nail artist. I give a PLANOLY 4 out of 5 stars, and it is just me that is in the company. So before trying out PLANOLY, I tried a few different apps, one being Later, and I think another one was called Plan with two N's. But they just wasn't quite as intuitive as PLANOLY. Um, Planet is quite easy to use, and so I decided to stick with them. So the reason I chose to stick with Planoly was because it was really easy to use. You get a lot on the free plan. You get options to upgrade if you want to, but it is so easy to put your feed together and decide how you want it to look and make sure you're happy with it before you hit post or before you schedule it to be sent to your socials. Planoly was so easy to get started with. It is quite intuitive to use. You don't have to really figure it out. Everything's there for you to just upload your photos, and then you get a sort of a welcome tutorial so that you know how to use it, and then you can just get going. I would really recommend Planoly for anyone that likes to make sure their feed is aesthetically pleasing, because it is so easy to use, and it has plenty of options to upgrade should you need to. But even with the free plan, you get 30 uploads a month, and that is more than enough for you to get started.